Hello friends, this is Lina from VTish Academy. Today I am going to explain you an example on laws of rational indices. So here we have to show that 1 by 1 plus x power a minus b plus x power a minus c plus 1 by 1 plus x power b minus c plus x power b minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x power c minus a plus x power c minus b is equal to 1. So first let us consider the LHS side. So here we have first term as 1 divided by 1 plus, and the next terms are in the form of the exponential law a power m minus n, which is equal to a power m divided by a power n. So this would come as x power a divided by x power b, and again by using this law the next term would be x power a divided by x power c plus 1 divided by 1 plus x power b divided by x power c plus x power b divided by x power a plus 1 by 1 plus x power c divided by x power a plus x power c divided by x power b, and then this would come as 1 divided by, and in the denominator let us take LCM as x power b into x power c. So we get the numerator terms as x power b into x power c plus x power a into x power c plus x power a into x power b plus 1 divided by, and here in the denominator let us take the LCM as x power c into x power a. Then the numerator terms would be x power c into x power a plus x power b into x power a plus x power b into x power c plus 1 by, and here in the denominator let us take x power a into x power b as the LCM. Then the numerator terms would be x power a into x power b plus x power c into x power b plus x power a into x power c. And here we observe that all these terms are in the form of the exponential law a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. All these denominator terms get reciprocal, and we get the terms in the numerator as x power b plus c divided by x power b plus c plus x power a plus c plus x power a plus b, and the next term would come as x power a plus c divided by x power c plus a plus x power a plus b plus x power b plus c plus x power a plus b divided by x power a plus b plus x power b plus c plus x power a plus c. Now observe here all the denominator terms, and by this observation we can conclude that all the denominator terms are equal. So let us take the LCM as x power b plus c plus x power a plus c plus x power a plus b. Then we get all the numerator terms as x power b plus c plus x power a plus c plus x power a plus b. So here we can cancel over x power b plus c, x power a plus c and x power a plus b. So we get here the value as 1, which is the required RHS. So this is how we solve an example by using the laws of indices. In our further videos we are going to solve few more examples based on the same concept. So refer to more videos on this concept on our channel VTish Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.